to freedom.
Freedom? From what?
Dumb parents, phony friends, and clergymen. Unless you feel too loyal to Reverend Carpenter.
Why do you say that?
Come on.
Oh, there you are, Billy.
We've been looking all over. Hello. Walter, it's Marty Saber.
So I see. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Dad, is there anything I can do for you?
Oh, well, where's Bets Hollander? You two seem to be hitting it off so
You
nicely.
made such a lovely couple on the dance floor.
Yes, ma'am. We'll be back in just a minute to dance, okay?
Don't worry, I won't monopolize him.
Okay. See you inside.
Man, they really turn the screws, don't they? Here, you need this much more than I thought.
Look, I told you, Marty, I'm not much of a drinker, okay?
How do you know what you are until you try? There's a lesson in that somewhere. Come on, handsome, drink up. Unless you're too afraid to disappoint Mommy and Daddy. Stick around me and that little halo of yours is going to disappear for good.
How do you know them so well, Marty?
Who?
My parents. I mean, the way you guys talk to each other.
I've seen them at the club. They met my Aunt Kiki, and ever since I joined the place, they act like they own it.
That's my parents. They think they own everything and everybody.
Including you?
Especially me. Thanks. That wasn't so bad.
There's more.
No, Marty, no.
Yes.
Look, Marty, I'm not used to this stuff. I don't want to get drunk, okay?
What?
I'm just thinking.
What's so
Mommy
funny?
and Daddy and Beth. It's like a Saturday morning cartoon. And they're all waiting inside, waiting for me, waiting to pounce on me, you know?
Well, why don't we just get out of here?
No, can't. Promise.
No. You promised to dance. You didn't promise where. There's a party tonight at the community center.
Oh, no, Marty. No, I can't. No.
Oh, no, okay. I guess I'll just go get old Bets for you.
Oh, shut. No. Let's get out.
Come on.
I said I'm okay. That means okay.
No, but we've got adults at 3 o'clock.
This calls for evasive action.
Aye, sir.
Cover me, Marty.
What? Billy!
The music of that country club. I'm not drunk. I never touched this stuff. What's with him?
Looks like she's with him. It looks like somebody's had too much to drink. She's right, Joey. Maybe you should do something.
Like what? Tell the chaperones? What?
Listen, Joey, he's your friend, isn't he?
That's okay. All right. Excuse me. You want to cut in, Joe?
On who? Billy. Let's go for a walk, all right? Billy, come on. Let's go for a walk.
I don't want to walk, old buddy, old pal. I want to dance. Don't you like to dance, Joe?
Billy, what do you think you're doing?
I was having fun. So my friends showed up. Let's dance, Marty.
Billy, I don't know what's wrong, but this isn't gonna help.
Look,
let's go.
who died and made you mine? And you, Joey boy, you look at me like my dad. So why don't you leave me alone, all right? Let's dance.
I don't know. Maybe we better sit this one out, Billy.
Or maybe not. Come on, Alana. How about it, babe? Huh?
Billy, let
How
her go.
about it? I'm not asking you, boy. Don't get jealous or anything, but this one's for a while, all right?
Billy, don't!
What's wrong? You, me, male, female? It's the way nature intended it, right? Is this how it goes, Joey? You like me better this way? Come on. Relax, Alana. I'm the guy. I lead, you follow,
Billy, come
right?
on, let her go,
right?
okay?
Huh?
Let her go.
Alana!
You go, Macho Man.
Shut up and give me another drink.
I'm sorry, honey, but you drank it all. From now on, you're on your own.
Fellas got any booze?
No, man, we're into noise. Serious noise.
Fireworks. Who cares? It's kids stuff.
Not the stuff we've got. You ever heard of the Big Bang? This is bigger.
Sounds good. Come here. He didn't mean it, okay? He was drunk.
Isn't that supposed to make me feel better? Billy never drinks.
Maybe it's about time he did. Makes him almost human.
Why don't you stay out of this, okay, Marty? I don't understand it. Why Bill even treated me that way? Some friend.
Oh, come on, he's still your friend, okay? Someone talked him into drinking. Oh, why are you looking at me?
Really proud of yourself, aren't you, Marty? Huh? Billy was down, you were right there to kick him.
I don't need to listen to you two. This party's gone south anyway.
Marty, what are you doing here?
Don't worry, I'm leaving.
I didn't mean it. Hey, where's everybody? Fireworks are about to begin out front.
Well, Billy's in the back with some guys. They were going to set off some really big fireworks.
The heck was that?
Help! Somebody help! Quick! It's an accident! Alana, where's the ambulance?
It's on its way.
Billy, let me just take a look
Get
at
away
this
from me!
and see how bad
Get
it
away!
is. Billy,
You have a
let me
bad
just-
bird. You got to call your phone. No, the bird! All right?
Everybody calm down and tell me how this happened.
Marty.
All right?
Keep away, Marty, all right? Marty!
Billy!
Go after him.